Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a dolphin. Dolphins are amazing creatures that live in the ocean. They are known for their playful and friendly nature, often leaping out of the water and riding the waves. Dolphins are mammals, just like us, which means they give birth to live babies and breathe air. They have smooth, sleek bodies and a dorsal fin on their back, which helps them swim gracefully through the water. Dolphins are also very smart and can communicate with each other using clicks and whistles. They live in groups called pods and work together to hunt for fish. Dolphins are not only fun to watch, but they also help keep the ocean ecosystem healthy by eating lots of fish and squid. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a sperm whale. Sperm whales are fascinating creatures that live in the deep, mysterious oceans. They are known for being the largest toothed animals on Earth, with some of their teeth growing up to 8 inches long. Sperm whales have massive heads, which can be 1/3 of their entire body length, and they use these big heads to hunt for their favorite food, squid. These clever hunters can dive incredibly deep, sometimes more than a mile below the surface, to find their prey. They can hold their breath for a really long time, up to 90 minutes. Sperm whales are also known for their unique clicking sounds, which they use to communicate with each other and navigate in the dark ocean depths. These incredible creatures are a vital part of our oceans, and they remind us of the many wonders that lie beneath the waves. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a white shark. White sharks, often called great white sharks, are powerful and awe-inspiring predators that roam the oceans. They're famous for their large, triangular-shaped dorsal fin and sharp, serrated teeth. These sharks are incredible swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Despite their fearsome reputation, they're actually quite curious and intelligent creatures. White sharks mainly eat seals, sea lions, and fish. They have a unique hunting technique called breaching, where they leap out of the water to catch their prey by surprise. While white sharks are known for their size and strength, they also play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystems. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, and they are truly fascinating creatures. These gentle giants can grow to be as long as 3 school buses lined up end to end. They live in the ocean and have a beautiful blue-gray color that gives them their name. Even though they are enormous, blue whales mostly eat tiny animals called krill, which they filter out of the water using their massive mouths. When a blue whale breathes, it shoots a spout of water high into the air, which can be seen from far away. Despite their size, blue whales are very gentle and peaceful animals. Sadly, they are endangered, so it's essential for us to protect their ocean homes and help them thrive for generations to come. 1. Good job! It is a killer whale. Killer whales, also known as orcas, are remarkable marine animals that captivate the imagination. These black and white creatures are actually the largest members of the dolphin family. Orcas are incredibly intelligent and live in close-knit groups called pods. They are fantastic swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 34 miles per hour. What's special about them is their diverse diet, as they eat fish, seals, and even some types of whales. Despite their name, they are not actually whales but rather powerful predators. Orcas communicate with each other using clicks, whistles, and even songs that are unique to their pods. These amazing animals can be found in oceans all around the world, and they remind us of the incredible diversity of life in our seas. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a bluefin tuna. Bluefin tuna are remarkable fish that live in the deep, blue waters of the ocean. They are known for their incredible speed and can swim as fast as race cars. These mighty fish have sleek bodies and can grow to be quite large, with some reaching lengths of over 10 feet. Bluefin tuna are famous for their beautiful, shiny blue backs and silvery sides. They are incredible swimmers, traveling great distances across the ocean. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a swordfish. Swordfish are fascinating fish that live in the warm, sunny oceans. They are named after their distinctive long, sword-like bills, which they use to slash at their prey, like fish and squid. These powerful swimmers can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest fish in the sea. Swordfish have a unique feature. They're one of the few fish that are warm-blooded, which helps them stay active in cold, deep waters. They are known for their delicious meat, often enjoyed as a tasty meal. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a tiger shark. Tiger sharks are amazing creatures that call the oceans their home. They get their name from the dark, tiger-like stripes on their back when they're young, which fade as they grow older. These sharks are big and strong, with an average length of 10 to 14 feet, though some can be even larger. Tiger sharks are known for their voracious appetite and will eat just about anything they can find in the water, earning them the nickname, garbage cans of the sea. They have sharp teeth designed for cutting through tough prey, like sea turtles and even dolphins. Despite their fearsome reputation, tiger sharks are important members of the ocean ecosystem, helping to keep it healthy and in balance.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.